Hello, thanks for joining me on the walkthrough of this beautiful one-bedroom apartment in Azizi Feirouz Furjan community. As you can see, you have a large and spacious living and dining area. You then also have a large usable balcony and a beautiful pool view from the apartment. Heading inside, on the right hand, you have a closed kitchen, again a decent size. And then on the left, your guest bathroom. Now heading into a large ensuite bedroom. From here again, you have a pool view. You also have built-in wardrobe and a very decent size ensuite bathroom. Like mentioned, the property is located in Azizi Feirouz Al Furjan, very close to the metro, with a size of 930 square feet. You're welcome to give me a call direct if you want to schedule for viewings and if you would like to see the property.